so he can always like post
Post different
like,
POVs.
views.
Different POVs.
Yeah.
You know what's
Yeah.
cool?
What's
I'll play
good?
this
It's me,
channel.
Nightmare, and hell.
We're in
Kill
hell.
me.
Oh, oh,
Double
ah,
tap,
no, no,
double
no, 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 no.
Vending
Dang it.
machine. Shut.
How about you introduce us? Ow.
The one screaming, ah, Blue Marble, ow. The fish is my daughter,
Oh, wait, no,
and that's
that is
my
to be clear.
partner, Axel. I don't know where they went. That one's my partner, Axel. Oh, hee hee.
And the one who just perished is me.
I already introduced you, genius. Oh, shit.
Yay.
Okay.
I know.
Oh, no. Whew. Whew.
Don't hit.
Okay.
Don't hit. Don't hit.
Double tap. Oh, frick. No.
My existence tastes like iron.
Existent. Bruh, these shipping containers are heat sinking. I'm telling you, my guy.
As well as the
You mean Seeky?
heat.
No, heat sinking.
Seeking.
Yeah, heat sinking. Ow.
Seeking.
That's what I'm saying.
We're
Heat
not going on
sinking.
this conversation again. We're not going on this conversation
Oh
again.
my god.
I just
What
got hit by a
conversation?
fridge.
Yeah, the same fridge
Father,
hit
I
me.
swear to God. Father.
There is
I
no
swear to
God. Be
Ah.
honest with yourself.
We've killed him.
Oh god, oh god, oh
He's
god.
already dead.
Dang it, I tried running and I failed
What
epically.
God?
He was turned
God,
into a
Abel.
shipping crate.
Oh my
And this is his vengeance. This is his vengeance on us.
Hold up. Freaking God said, okay, you exist. I'm gonna
You exist?
put you
That's a
into this
problem.
thing."
How about I make you existent? Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. No!
That's a vending machine in the air. Ah,
All
table!
the people, all the people who
Ah, table!
is gonna be like, going to your comment being like,
Is this what God felt like when he was fighting Technoblade? Is this what God felt like when he was fighting Technoblade?
Technoblade?
He's brought back his revenge on us this time. We fudged up. We fudged up.
We fucked up. I don't care about cursing at the current moment. We fucked up. We fucked with God.
We done fucked with God again.
We freaked.
Don't hit me, don't hit me. Oh shit! How? Where's Molly?
Dad! I can't. Ow! That
Bro,
shipping
what's with
crate
this
just went full force
shipping
in my fucking
crates?
face.
Oh no! It's a Westburn High. Goodbye! We'll watch the smoke go out the doors. And marshmallows will make s'mores.
Stop it. Stop.
I got killed by a fridge.
Please.
Where's
Give me
Molly?
luck for this once. God, give me luck. Once.
No.
I'm not Christian, but please. Ah, fuck!
You saying you're not Christian fucked up your luck. You saying you're not Christian fucked up your luck. Oh shit!
I will become
Where's
Christian.
Molly? Where's Molly?
I think up. Oh, fuck.
Did Molly make it?
I made it.
Holy shit.
Wait, did Molly make
What I'm
it?
talking- Molly made it.
Oh shit.
Ow. Funk.
No, I don't see them up there. You lie. I
Ow.
got killed by a fridge instantly. It went for my legs. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Shut.
I hate this. This was a mistake.
The funny thing is, I can't record with other people because they're gonna say racial slurs.
I will not say a racial slur while I am recording. Off recording, I can't say anything for myself.
Man, every single.
I'm recording.
Oh no
Every
no no no
single
no!
person's gonna-
Ooh. Ooh, that skimmed my back. I felt that shit skim my back. No!
Ah, shoot. Oh
The
my
funny
God.
thing is, when you
my
when you view this recording, I'm gonna sound like a fucking infant.
You are, babyface.
Why are you calling me babyface?
Because
Molly,
you are.
I'm going into. I'm going to punch you. I'm gonna punch
Molly,
both of you.
baby face, baby face, baby
Wait, no,
face.
wait, nerd soul. Nerd
Nerd
soul.
soul, nerd soul, nerd soul.
Nerd soul. Nerd soul. Nerd soul. Oh my god, God. Oh my god. Oh my Jesus. Oh my god. Ah!
Oh, great heavens! Oh, great heavens!
Smite
Oh,
them
good
down
heavens.
now.
Oh, good heavens.
Oh,
Ah!
great heavens! No, no,
shoot.
no, 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 no.
Not me pleading to God for downfall.
Crunched.
Okay,
Hat.
something skimmed my face and it said it killed me. I call crap. I call wall hacks. I call every hack at once.
Bullshit. Oh my god.
That didn't even hit me, my guy.
That's.
I just saved myself from death. Oh, sweet Jesus. Okay, okay, okay.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Damn it, I
Jesus.
thought that would
Oh
have
my
missed.
God. Oh, dear
Molly,
God.
Molly, something
like
hit
that.
me back into the grinder and it missed and hit me onto the platform.
Uh-oh. Oh no, no, I don't want you, Free Shavakadu. I don't want you, Free. Oh my god, I don't want you, Free Shavakadu. No, I don't want you, Free Shavakadu. I'm panicking.
Okay, I'm gonna have to become a bit smaller.
No, I don't want you, Free.
Drift is.
Oh my god, oh my. Wait, put it.
No, Drift, leave me alone.
In the Lord's name. Stop. I please.
Okay.
Oh my god, am I gonna make it up here again? No way. No. No. No freaking way. No way.
Molly, I'm going to smite you, or at least try.
How did she do it? How did she do it?
I have a feeling.
Why?
How did you get up there? Gregory, what are you doing? How did you get up there? Oh, shh, that's a table.
2 times already.
Fuck you and your 2 times.
Ow. Let's see if I can get up there a 3rd time.
Shut up, Molly.
Okay. Ow. How dare
Ah,
it?
yes, the tire stopped me from cursing.
Well, excuse you. Okay.
No, no, no,
Why?
no,
Oh,
no,
hi.
no, no,
Oh,
no, no.
hi.
No,
I'm the
I
Fat
was
Rick
right
Sanchez.
there. I was right
hi.
there,
Oh,
and
hi.
a fucking fridge came down and smited me. What's this?
It just said, ha. Nope. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. I don't want you. I don't want you, Fisha Vakadu. I don't want
Molly, take the free
No.
Shavakadu.
No, I don't want. Wait. hold
Take it,
on.
Molly.
Fuck.
No, I don't want it.
Fuck.
I was almost
The
up
amount
there.
of major concussions I'm getting is fucking hilarious.
We're fine.
I'm
just
getting so
faced-
many concussions. Come get me, please.
I
I faced for the table.
protection spell
Oh,
will
I
be
did
fine.
face for that one. No, 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 no.
Frick, 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 frick. Fuck, 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 fuck.
Fuck.
Ooh.
Skeleton.
Ooh.
Yippee. Oh, hi. I don't want to be hydrated. I don't want to hydrate.
Hydrate
yet.
before you dihydrate.
Oh, hi, Never. Oh,
Hola. No, 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 no,
ah,
no,
if
no.
I hydrate, you're right, hydrate.
Bruh, that was such crap. Why are the shipping like
Why?
we used to get 1 or 2 shipping containers. Now everything is like one shot shipping container.
Oh my God.
Another thing shipping container. What the hell? No,
Another
no.
That's
Bro,
terrible.
this game's gotten twice as
Why
harder.
must the-
It's smiting
Why
us
must
with
the
shipping
shipping
containers. I know, why is it the shipping containers that sized up? Why not like the fridges or something? Or tables?
The fridges are even worse.
In my opinion,
Yeah,
it's the
'cause
shipping
smaller,
containers
they
because
can
they're
be-
longer. No, it's shipping containers because they're longer. Hi,
Okay,
vending
yeah,
machine.
that's true.
Because if they turn, you're screwed trying to run from that shit.
Yeah.
No, no, no. Oh, that flipped right over me. Okay. Just focus on everything.
Ah, chicken nuts.
Chick manug nug chick chick manug nug. Chick manug.
Chick Minug, Molly, Chick Minug, nug, Chick Nug balls.
No table, no.
Ow! I'm about to turn into Mr. Krabs. Just.
Choo choo.
Oh, hi.
Chick Minug balls.
Oh, hi. I don't want to hydrate. I don't want to.
Hydrate before you dehydrate, Molly.
Oh, shoot.
You're lying. That hit me.
No, I was so close.
Oh, I got bird man.
What the fuck? Wait, hold on. Did anyone else just see what happened to me? Did anyone else just see what happened to me? A tire hit me,
No.
and you know how you're supposed to fly like a little bit back? It threw me all the way down from almost the top.
Oh my god. No,
And then
why
threw
you
me
guys
into
have
the-
your cameras out? Oh, hi.
Because I want to see my beautiful face before I get smashed by
I'm
these
being cringe.
shipping containers.
Cringe native.
No, 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 no. No! One of the shipping containers just saved my life from another one. Okay, hold on. Listen to this. So, 2 shipping containers were coming at me. One of them flew into the other and saved my life.
Huh?
How the heck? Oh, hi, Satan. Oh,
No,
thank you
please.
for moving.
That should have gone over me.
Oh,
Molly, if you make it up there
I don't
again,
want hydrate.
if you make it up there again, I'm gonna be angry.
Stick a
No,
needle
no,
into
no,
my
no, no, no,
eye.
no, no.
I don't
This
know
is the
how.
first time I'm gonna be posting on my fucking YouTube. Cause my
I
YouTube's
post-
just
I
sitting there.
post, it's just not a lot because I'm busy doing things. Oh, you've gotta be.
Honk,
We're
honk.
existing.
Honk?
Actually, I don't
Oh,
think
sh-
I have. Oh,
You do. You're subscribed to me. I hit the light and it killed me. I hit one of the lights on the side.
Wow.
Wait, I physically can't go.
Fridge.
Hold up, I physically can't get to my channel because.
All right, your
It's
email
gone.
reset. So you're gonna have to make a completely new channel and all that. If you
Yeah.
do, subscribe, please. I need them. I need the subscribers. I'm poor and subscribe. Oh shit! I'm poor and subscribe. It gets hit by fridge casually. Or not fridge, shipping container.
Like, shipping container be like, shut the fuck up. No more plugging your YouTube, my guy.
I'm doing an ad.
Please
Oh,
like and
shit,
subscribe. Ow! I got hit right as I
Oh,
said
chick
that.
nug.
It doesn't like me saying like and subscribe.
Chicken
I said- I said
nug
like and
balls.
subscribe and
Chick
something
nug chip.
sniped my legs.
Chip.
Don't break Molly.
Chip.
Devil darling.
Ah!
Ow. My skull.
Honk.
It hurts.
I'm recording. Don't freaking say that.
What, devil
Balls.
darling?
Nah.
What? I'm just saying a
Say
name.
balls. You don't know what I'm talking about. El huevos. El huevos, my guy.
Damn. Aw.
Man, when I find out how to edit, I am going there.
No,
Ow.
no mamas, no mamas, no mamas.
Stop
Might as
speaking
well turn into
Spanish.
fucking Mexican Caesar. I might as well turn into fucking Mexican Caesar. Honk.
Save me. No.
Oh my god!
What?
Do you see that shit?
No.
I landed. I was decently up there, and I landed all the way back.
That's how I felt when that one fridge hit me.
Honk.
I can't even get off the fucking platform. Everything keeps hitting my legs and pushing me off or killing me instantly. Shut up, babyface.
Fuck off. Ooh, honk. No.
Molly, you're a bitch. I hope you know this. No, no mames. No mames.
Everything is fine.
No.
Scheiße.
Fine. I don't know how I'm here.
Here comes the German. Oh no.
God damn it. Nothing hit me.
Thank
What
God I
hit
don't know
me?
French.
Oui,
Oui, baguette.
mademoiselle.
by my
Oh,
own
titty
people.
croissant.
I'm gonna get hit by my own race. Me. I'm gonna get hit by the French.
For not knowing how to speak. Nothing hate me,
No,
my
I
bro.
don't know French. My mom knows French.
Ask
If you
your
want to
mom
know
to teach
French,
you
ask my fucking mom.
If you want to know French, you ask your mom.
I wanted to learn Italian. Balls.
Jesus Christ! Ooh, that was so close.
Cause Italian and Spanish, if I did hear correctly, should go decently well together. Balls, big ones.
Balls, hefty ones.
This recording to fucking edit. Just be like, hey, Tortellini, can you edit this for me, please? Can you be my editor for a bit?
Don't edit this. It's funny. It's good content. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's good content.
Don't question why I call my sister Tortellini. If you know her name, then balls.
God damn it.
If you know my sister's name or if you've heard it enough, you know why I call her Tortellini.
No. I hate the shipping containers. They literally said shipping containers. Let's turn that shit up.
Her name is not actually her name. She gave herself that name.
You're trying so hard, and it's funny.
Yeah, because I'm trying to protect my sister's identity by
Fuck
calling
identity.
her Tortellini.
You think that's gonna do anything? People will figure out what that means and then start calling your sister her name.
Fuck. If I do give her this this clip to edit, she'd be like, "Hey, Tori, bleep this out for me real quick. Like, bleep all the stuff that's cursing and balls.
Don't
hefty
bleep.
ones."
You know you can just put 18 plus on videos, right? So you can curse and stuff.
Yeah. But you know.
Ow. Mike.
No, you.
When someone
fucking
sees
cannibal.
VR chat and a Dutch Angel Jonah, most of the people will think, hey, VR chat's for kids. And slap a kid rating on it. Fuck!
They won't do that. You pick what you put on there. How did Molly do this 3 times?
I don't know. I think I have some old recordings. I also want to make an intro for my show.
I don't know how
if I
I'm
do
doing
start
I have an
recording
intro,
more
but I
often
have to
again.
use a website that puts their fucking watermark on my stuff. And I don't like that, so I just kind of, you know.
Ow. My exist.
Bye, Molly.
You know what? You know what? I'm about to turn my sister into my editor.
No, don't do that.
Pay her in avatars.
Don't do that.
Ow.
That's slavery at its
Why?
finest.
She's my
Child
sister.
slavery.
Does it mean
She would
anything?
really. Fuck! I got double tapped by the table.
No. Oh, Jesus Christ! How am I alive?
When I find a good like editing website, I am going to use it.
I want one that doesn't put their watermark on my stuff, so I can. God damn it!
Technically CapCut and KindMaster.
Nope,
KindMaster
KindMaster
does
puts
put
watermark
yourself
on your stuff.
Alright.
I know because that's what I use
and
for one of my videos. To put the
CapCut
intro in.
does
Fuck!
Put a watermark at it, but at the end, so you can just cut that out.
Oh, I might. No! I might do that then. I don't know. I haven't
I
fully
have
decided yet.
CapCut. Ow, shit.
But yeah,
For free?
once you guys edit like
Yeah,
your
it's for-
stuff, just send it to me and I'll
it's for
put
phone
the
and,
videos like different POVs of playing blah blah blah. Cause I
Ow,
can't remember
shit.
the name because I have too much brain damage.
Meat grinder.
Meat grinder.
Why
Another
did
thing
they?
I can do is just
Mm.
post my video on my channel and then just give you the link for it. So you can put it in like the description.
Oh yeah, like
Shit.
you put it like in the description, like saying, oh, this one's point of view, this one's point of view.
This one's fucking Blue's point of view. This one's Axel's point of view.
I find it funny that it's literally just my name, Axel the Axolotl.
Axel. It's Nerdsoul, the Nerdsolotl.
Nerd, so
Shit. Ow.
I got tapped by a friend.
Was it double tap or was it just normal tap? Ah! Vending machine got me.
Don't hit me. Oh my god. Oh my god. No,
Bro.
I don't want to see
I'm gonna
Jesus.
see how much my mic is peak. I'm gonna see how much my mic peaks.
From our
Between
sides.
the just audio. Just in general, actually.
Oh no. Please protect me. Thank you, Jesus Christ. Beans, Rice, Jesus Christ, and Byron.
Byron, who?
Byron! Who? Oh, 3 or 4 things just passed right by me and missed. No, don't hit me, you stupid fridge. Or no, that's a vending machine. Damn it.
Oh my god.
I wish the corners didn't count, because that's half the shit that's killing me is the corners.
Look at me go!
Ow.
Fuck! Look at me.
Man. When I hear this, I'm gonna hate it. Just hearing my voice. Ugh. I'm going to see Jesus. Ah, shoot.
How am I the only one who hasn't done this? This is gay.
Wait, Axel hasn't gotten the
Axel
thing
just got up there.
I made it. He.
See?
Oh my god, he did it. Oh my god. Don't worry, Nightmare, you're gonna be able to
This
do it.
game's picking favorites. Every time I get on here, it throws 1,000 shipping crates and fridges at me. But then y'all get on and it throws the lightest shit. This is fucking racist.
Motherfucker, I got hit by multiple shipping containers.
No.
No, I don't want it to. No.
And that was before recording.
No. No. God damn it! I was right there, and a stupid shipping. I wish they would. I might actually like contact the creator and be like, "Yo, take your stupid shipping crates out the fucking game."
Nah,
Because
they
half the
ain't
time,
gonna do
it's
that.
the fucking shipping crates. Like literally, it's throwing down like 3 or 4 at a time, and you can't get past that.
You can't.
Because just 2 or 3 of them block the entire way when they're sideways. Now it's like 4 or 5 of them coming at once. It sucks.
Yeah, true.
And
Maybe
you
you
made
should
it up
ask-
there 3
maybe you
times.
should ask
Axel's
them.
made it up there once, and I haven't made it up there twice because all the fucking shipping crates keep targeting my ass, along with the vending machines and the fridges.
Wait, you made it up there twice?
No, you did.
Wait, hold on.
I said you made it up there 3 times. Axel made it up there once. Like, I haven't made it up there at all because the shipping crates keep blocking my path, and I can't go up there
Ow.
without being hit.
One just hit me straight in the.
Yeah, no, look,
No,
2
I
of them
wanna
take up the entire middle lane, and when they fly up into the air and fly towards you, there's nothing you can do because you can't jump and you can't dodge because the shipping crates are too like fucking wide and shit.
Yeah, that's true. No.
And
I
since the
don't wanna
corners
see
count,
Jesus.
it
I
adds an
don't-
extra like inch or 2 to it. And it also doesn't help that half the stuff pushes you almost all the way down because I was up there, and a tire or something, I forgot what it was, but something threw me all the way back down, and then it bounced me into the other room where we spawn.
Yeah, true.
Look at this. It was clear for you at first, and then I got on here, and it threw 3 shipping crates at us. And then there goes another fridge. Like, it's literally throwing all the heavy stuff at me.
Everything is coming after me. Oh my god.
It's because
Hello.
I was on the same side as you. I went behind you to see if I could block myself, and everything started showing up on that side. You want to know what happened behind you, Molly, that made me angry?
What?
A tire pushed me straight into a shipping crate right behind you, yet you didn't get hit. And the tire
Ow.
just landed on the conveyor belt and pushed me into the grinder. Look, nothing
Oh my
heavy's
God.
dropping, right? Look, right as I stepped up here, 2 shipping
It's
crates showed
bullying
up.
you.
It's being a bully.
Axel
Look,
is just up
look,
there.
look, it throws down 1. Now watch, right as I step on here, it's gonna throw down like 3 or 2. There's 1. There's a 2.
Oh no.
3.
Uh-oh.
There's 3. 4. It just threw out 4 right as I got on here, man. This is...
Man, if
no.
I,
Fuck. Nothing killed me.
if,
Okay, no, hold on.
the thing
A
I'm
table
scared about
threw...
when I... Oh.
What happened to me is a table threw me into the air and it killed me even though nothing hit me while I was in the air. This is rigged against me.
Man, if I actually make like a YouTube channel, I'm probably gonna get so much anxiety. My whole
Don't.
entire existence gonna be like,
Bruh! I feel like there should be a barrier so this, like, objects falling can't hit you while you're, like, at spawn or something. You know what I mean? Because half the stuff that's killed me has dropped at spawn or launched me into spawn and it has killed me.
yeah.
No, 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 no. No, stupid table. No, 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 no. Don't drop that mini fridge. Oh. No, dumb table. Leave me alone. I ain't do nothing to you. Oh, shit. No, 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 no! I was oh my god.
I was about to see if I can pause my recording so I can go get a drink.
No. God damn it, dude! Why is everything targeting me?
And then like come back and then turn it back on, or you could just leave it on.
God damn it, dude! Nothing even hit me that time! Look, look, I'm gonna step down here. 2. And then... my god. Look, there's nothing up there, right? Alright, guys? Okay, 2. Look! Rise, I didn't even get off the conveyor belt, and something already killed me. This game's rigged against me.
I'm gonna go down there.
My anger
Strike
issue.
me down, Zeus. You know how the fall.
Strike me down, Zeus. Molly, half the stuff is hitting me on the conveyor belt. I haven't even left the conveyor belt and a fucking vending machine snipe me. Look,
It's like
I
a
barely
ego.
reached the wall and a fucking shipping crate hit me straight in the face.
It'd be like, bonk. I'm a force in nature.
Dude, I swear this
No
is like
way, this-
rigged against
this
me or
ain't something.
something.
This stuff it ain't from nature. This is from the bottoms of hell.
This is from the pits of hell. Bro, nothing hit me that time. I'm
how
fixing
much
my wall.
knowledge I know. I am just a small little book.
I am yes. It depends on my
I am
mood.
not. I'm like.
Okay,
I'm
wait
like
for this
a-
shit.
I'm like a,
no,
uh,
no, 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 no.
I'm like a book of like 1 page. That's how much knowledge I know.
I know all. See, no, you stupid table. Suck my dick.
No, never. Not on the recording, my dude.
Fuck your recording. My anger issues are taking over because you've made it up there 4 goddamn times. Axel's made it up there once. Yet every time I barely step onto this damn thing, every heavy thing hits me in the face. I'm getting tired of it. Literally, look, I barely stepped on the conveyor belt and 3 different shipping crates spawned at once. Look at this! And who's it gonna hit? Who's it gonna hit? It's gonna hit me. Watch. It's either gonna be... And earlier, I was gonna make it, but a fucking table threw me down saying, I'm gonna bring you down to the house of God. What? Nothing even hit me that time.
Bring down the house of God.
Boys, buy your own paint. Wait, can't I get copyrighted for that? Oh no, bro. Oh, hi, Molly. Oh, shit.
Hi.
Bro, you see what I mean? I was halfway up there, and a tire threw me straight into the grinder. Everything's going against me today. Molly, I know I said no tiny avatars to cheat, but I might have to because every time I've gone up here, something either kills me or pushes me down. Yet you've made it up there 4 times. Axel's made it up there once, and I haven't made it up there at all because every heavy thing. I didn't even get to jump. I didn't even get my chance to. Molly, did you make it up there again?
No.
5 fucking times. Bruh, literally every heavy thing is coming straight at me. What am I supposed to do? Like, it's throwing. Like, the shipping container literally flew straight at me.
You want some help?
How are you supposed to help me? You carry me with you. Every heavy thing's still gonna come at me. It's just gonna hit you.
Oh, yeah, because we don't have the same thing.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
Look!
I almost died.
Did you see that? A literal barrel threw me straight into the grinder. Look at the luck you're having. I couldn't even get off the goddamn conveyor belt.
Oh, hi, table.
Every heavy thing is flying straight at me right now. I'm not even joking. I just
I don't
surpassed
know how, but
two.
I'm being able to dodge most of the stuff that I've been flying. Oh my god.
Molly, I just got fucking tag teamed by a vending. Oh my god, the corner of that shipping container hit me and it killed me. I seriously feel like they need to turn down the throwing of shipping containers, because that's half the stuff that's killing me. The only other thing that's really killing me right now is the fucking vending machines, dude.
Oh, hi. Picasso needs them.
Whoever made this needs to. A fridge just flew right past you and hit me in the face. Molly,
Fridge killed me, and also, I
Molly,
definitely know you're not going to get that reference.
what?
Picasso needs some vending machines. Find them in all the games.
Oh, I get that reference
What?
actually.
You do? Hey!
Yeah. Bruh, literally, I didn't even leave the conveyor belt and a tire threw me back
Where do you
on.
get that reference from?
I think I saw Markiplier play it once, but I forgot the game name. Was it a game? I can't remember right now. I'm too angry about the fact of everything's hitting me.
For me, I'm doing the reference of one of Flamingo's videos for Grocery Gang.
Yeah, I think I watched Markiplier play that once. Or was that Grocery Simulator? I'm just stupid. Molly, how are you not getting hit by anything? Never mind. Just, Molly, how are you not getting hit by anything? Gets hit. Never mind. No. Oh my god, it hasn't thrown a shipping container at me yet. Is this my lucky break? Am I getting... You titty sucker. You fucking bastard.
But, Grocery Gang ain't a game, you know that, right?
It's not? Then where did I hear that out from?
For me, I'm talking about Flamingo's video about, like, Grocery Gang, the myth, on
The
Roblox.
myth? Shit. Oh. Then I must have heard someone say it before, because I know I've heard it, but not from whoever Flamingo is. I don't watch Flamingo. Molly, I'm
Albert.
No. I'm so angry. I was right there. I literally could see the top, and everything's throwing me down or killing me.
Man, you
Look
should
at
play
that!
Flamingo.
That's bullshit!
Flamingo's chaotic, and I love it.
Dude, Molly, you're not understanding this. I didn't even get halfway down that conveyor belt, and something flew up and killed me. I'm literally having the worst luck with this right now.
Oh my god, nightmare. I swear, it does not like...
It's being homophobic. It's being nightmare phobic.
Nightmare phobic.
Bruh, you're gonna see in this video how many times I've died to something hitting me on the conveyor belt.
Yeah.
Like, it just
Yeah.
happened again. And you wanna know what half the stuff is that's killing me? It's actually not the fucking shipping containers. No, it's the vending machines. Half the stuff that is killing me is the vending machines.
God dang.
I don't know if they're vending machines, but it's the black machines with, like, the orange writing on the front of them. Fuck.
That's the vending machines.
Okay, I didn't know if it was something else. God damn! I'm not even getting
Okay,
halfway up there anymore.
There's only 2 things by this description, technically.
Ow. Bruh, a fridge passed right by you and sniped me in my fucking face again. Molly, you're gonna see what I mean by this game is fucking attacking me. Like, you're gonna watch how many times something has pushed me back or killed me. No, you stupid Hi.
Hey, neighbor. Neighbor,
Yeah, what's up?
look at me. Neighbor,
Hold
neighbor,
on.
look at
hold
me.
on. No. What?
Okay.
Oh. Hello. No. You see what I
neighbor,
mean?
neighbor.
Hold on, watch me on the
Victoria?
conveyor belt. Watch, something's gonna fly down and fucking hit me. Huh, what?
How's your day?
I want death! I'm craving the
Just
sweet
said I
release of...
scared me.
I'm craving the sweet release of death! Hello, Nino! Bruh, no! Fuck your shipping container! Bruh! I'm literally getting sniped by everything! You name something and I've been sniped by it.
Air.
Yes! Air resistance. Molly, you've made it up there 5 goddamn times. Axel's made it up there once at least. 6 goddamn times. And yet every heavy thing is flying at my face.
I'm not up there. Oh my
See, Molly, look! You got hit by a tire, and it threw you down like an inch. It just hit me, the same tire, and it threw me all the way back down, and every heavy thing just started falling down on me.
I'm probably gonna be known as the Saiyans.
You're the same.
Like if they see this video, they're gonna. I am the Saiyans.
No.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Bruh, I dodged a shipping container and a fridge sniped me.
Just like.
No, that's exactly what happened. I'm staying behind you. You obviously have... Bruh! Molly! A shipping container went right over your head and hit me. What the fuck? This is some gay bullshit. I being stream sniped by
No.
goddamn shipping crates. And this is bullshit. Molly, I'm not leaving until I get up there once, at least. I don't care how many tries it takes me. I don't care if this video is an hour long. I will sit here and play until I get this.
Jesus Christ, man.
I am determined. Axel made it up there once. You made it up there 5 times. Determined. Axel made it up there once. You made it up there 5 times. And I haven't made it up there once because everything keeps killing me. Literally, I'm getting sniped by everything. I just got killed by a fucking snack machine again. I haven't made up there once because half the time I bounce off tires and get thrown all the way back down, or I'm killed by some bullshit thing flying my way somehow. Oh great, there's the shipping container again.
Sorry.
And it's coming right at me. 6 times. 6 fucking times I'm gonna kill someone. No, you're not pushing me down. I won't let you. I'm pulling a Kara. I won't let you! No, don't turn. No! Molly. I was right there. I got past everything, and a fucking vending machine fell straight on me. I literally got past everything. I was about to reach it, and a vending machine fell on me. I could literally see where you were standing. That's how close I was. And a vending machine decided to drop on my skull. Molly, become an avatar with a chair. Right as I get close to you, I'm gonna grab the chair. I don't care if people say that's cheating. I'm fed up with this.
Hold up, I gotta turn into 1,000 things.
Please try to hurry. No, stupid tire. You stupid fucking tire. I'm gonna cut you with a knife. That could have fallen on me. That also could have.
I'm here.
No,
I'm existing.
you dummy. I said wait up there so when I got close, I could grab the chair.
Alright, I'll go up there.
Watch, you're gonna walk through with nothing hitting you. Yeah, I'm getting piled on by
I got
fucking
killed.
Molly, I'm having shit. I literally just had 3
Ow.
shipping crates pile on each other and kill me. No, Molly, you wanna know how close I was to you? I was past the last spikes up there, and right as I was about to go under the thing to get up there so nothing could hit me, a fucking vending machine decided to fall out of the sky and kill me. I was literally right there, and a vending machine decided to end my life. Bro, I didn't even get off the fucking elevator. Let me down. Fuck you, table. Look at this. Bro. 5, 6 shipping crates just came down all at once right as I stepped on this platform.
God dang.
4. I see 5 shipping crates now. Just let me up, please.
1,
What did I
2,
do?
3.
What did I do to deserve this?
Ow.
Axel, you want to know how close I was? I was so close. I got past the last spikes, everything, and I was about to go under it so nothing could hit me, and a fucking vending machine dropped on me and killed me. I don't care. No, screw it. I'm done. I'm fucking done. I can't do this anymore. I'm cheating. I don't even care. I do not care. Where is it?
Oh, little dust.
I'm fed up with this. This some bullshit. That's what this is. Hit me now, bitch. I'm gonna get karma for that, but I do not care. I'm in a mood to kill. Ah! No! What the fuck? Why is everything targeting me today? What did I do? What did I do to deserve any of this? Molly, did you make it up there again?
Yes.
7 times you've made it up there. Axel made it once, and I haven't made it a single time because literally every shipping crate is flying towards my face trying to kill me. Nothing even hit me that time. Y'all are gonna watch this video and see what I mean by everything is coming after me. Like, I know you're hearing me say it, but you're gonna get my POV.
Existence is pain. No, I don't want it. Get on. Super long.
No, extra long roller! If you get the reference, you get the reference.
Extra long bucket.
Oh, don't worry. I gave him something in replace. Extra long baguette? It's hard as rock. Axel, Axel, be prepared to grab me. Oh, you Take me away from this. No! Oh, wait, I'm under it. Yes! How long did that take me? That took me 30 plus minutes. Probably like an hour.
Yep.
Honey, we're never playing this again. We are never playing this again. Hold up. Fuck you. We are never playing. No. You want to know something that really pissed me off? Everything that hit me, right, flew past Molly first and didn't hurt them. And then everything, no, and you want to know what half the stuff that killed me was? Half the shit that killed me on the conveyor belt. I barely even got down, and I kept getting sniped by everything. Like, you're gonna see from my POV what happened, and you're gonna be like, holy shit. Molly, in the kindest way I can put this, I hope you die.
I have jaundice and pink eye. My recording stopped.
Oh, I must stop recording now.